Sometimes in life, we keep saying, "I'll start tomorrow, I'll do it later, there's still plenty of time." But this tiny habit quietly destroys our dreams. In a world filled with distractions, endless scrolling, notifications, and noise, it's easier than ever to let time slip through our fingers without noticing. Time is more than the ticking of a clock. Time decides the direction of our life. Those who respect time rise higher. Those who waste it eventually drown in regret. If you don't want to lose the opportunities life offers you, then listen to this story carefully. It's not just a story, it's a warning. In a small village lived a boy known for being extremely lazy. He delayed everything: homework, chores, responsibilities. Because of this, he started falling behind in school and in life. His parents and teachers tried hard to make him understand the importance of time, but nothing changed. He wasn't worried about his future. He spent his days doing useless things while others moved ahead. One day, a wise man visited the village. People respected him for his knowledge and guidance. The lazy boy thought, if he can guide others, maybe he can help me too. When he saw the wise man speaking to people in the park, he waited until the crowd left and then approached him. "Sir," he said softly, "I feel like a failure. My friends are moving forward, I'm stuck. Please tell me what I can do to become better." The wise man looked at him with kindness. "My child," he said, "you feel lost because you waste the most valuable thing you have, time. Let me share a story that will help you understand." The boy nodded and listened. Long ago, there was a king loved by his people. He was generous, fair, and kind. One day, an old friend visited him, a friend who had once studied with him in childhood. But now the man was poor, unemployed, and looked defeated. He blamed everyone else for his problems and never accepted responsibility. The king felt sad seeing him in such a condition. He asked, "What happened to you? Why is your life like this?" The man sighed and said, "Your Majesty, I don't know why the world hates me. Whenever I apply for a job, they reject me. People say I don't finish things on time. I feel unlucky." The king thought for a moment and said, "Let's make a deal. Before sunset today, you may go to my royal treasury and take as much gold and jewels as you want. Whatever you collect will be yours." The man was shocked with happiness. He thanked the king repeatedly and ran home to tell his wife. His wife said, "Why are you standing here? Go immediately and collect the gold." But he replied, "I'm too hungry. Let me eat first." His wife quickly made food, but he ate slowly, thinking he had plenty of time. After eating, he felt sleepy. He thought, "I'll take a short nap and go later. There's still a lot of time." He fell into a deep sleep, dreaming of riches. 2 hours later, his wife woke him up. It was still afternoon, so he became irritated. "Why wake me now? I still have time." He picked up empty sacks and walked towards the palace. But the sun was harsh, and he felt tired. So he sat under a shady tree to rest, and once again fell into a deeper sleep. When he opened his eyes, it was evening. The sun had already set. He panicked and ran to the palace as fast as he could. But the gates were closed. Guards told him he had missed his chance. He had lost everything, not because of bad luck, but because he did not respect time. The wise man finished the story and looked at the boy. The boy remained silent. He finally understood his mistake. With guilt in his eyes, he whispered, "Sir, I understand now. I will change. I promise." And from that day on, he did change. He stopped delaying, started finishing his tasks on time, and slowly began to succeed. His family and friends noticed the difference. He became more confident, more disciplined, and much happier. In real life, time is more precious than gold. Once it slips away, you can never bring it back. My grandfather used to say, "People understand the value of time only after losing it." A student who fails knows the value of a year. A passenger who misses a train by 1 minute knows the value of a minute. Someone who loses an opportunity knows the value of a decision. If you respect time, time will reward you. If you waste time, time will destroy your potential. Use your time wisely. Spend it on your dreams. Spend it with your loved ones. Spend it building a life you can be proud of. Only then will your life feel complete and meaningful. If you liked this story, give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back soon with another inspiring story. Until then, stay grateful, stay disciplined, and keep moving forward.